Hi, today I am going to tell you one technique using that you can make sure that you are getting qualifying marks in any exam. So let's start. Take any subject, let's say math. You have, assuming that you have 20 chapters, you take 40% of that chapters which are you are most confident. I know that out of these 20 chapters, maybe 15 chapters you are very much confident, 5 chapters maybe you are not so confident, but you are preparing for all the chapters. But take 40% which are the most confident chapter for you. You know that anything comes in that chapter, you will be able to complete. On that 40% chapters, spend your 60% time and effort. Whatever available time you have till the exam, 60% of your time and effort you put in that 40% topic. Ensure that anything comes you can make that for that 40% topic. Now the balance 60% topic, you have already put your 60% effort on that 40%, you will have only 40% of your effort and time remaining. That 40% time and effort you put on that balance 60% topic. So now what will happen? First 40%, let's say you have done 100% and there will be some plus minus in the marks. You get around 80%. So 80% of 40 marks comes to 32. You got 32. Your qualifying marks is 50. Now the balance 60% where you have put your 40% effort. Assuming that with 40% effort, you are able to make somewhat 60-70% you have answered and you got say 40%. So 40% of 60 marks, 24. You got 32 in the first 40 and the balance 60 you got at least 24. So 32 plus 24, 56. Wow, you have qualified. Your qualifying marks is 50. That's how you plan every term. I'm not saying that you do only that much preparation, but that much preparation will ensure that you qualify the exam. So wish you all the best for the exam.